Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're gonna talk about FC24 and what it can do in case the game is not launching or opening whenever you install it. The game was officially released like a week ago and users have already started having issues. There are certain issues related to the game not opening, to the anti-cheat causing certain issues. So in this video I'm gonna try to show you some steps that you can do in order to have a higher chance of solving this without having to reinstall the game, which would be a last option. So if you enjoy videos like these in which I show you how to fix different issues with certain games, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, a mandatory thing that you need to do and have on your system is secure boot enabled, because FC24 won't run without secure boot enabled, especially if you are using Windows 11, and also the anti-cheat will require that. We're going to have in the article below in the video's description an in-depth guide on how to enable secure boot on most computers in Windows 11. So I'm hoping that article will help you. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure you completely restart the EA app. So just make sure you completely close it from the system tray and then open it again. Now, of course, after each step, you should try the game and see if it works. But also another thing that helped me these years with FIFA 22-23 was to enable offline mode for Origin, now the EA app. So to do that, just go into these three lines in the left side, go offline, click yes, I'm sure, and then back again, go online and try to run FC24 again. There are some weird issues sometimes in FIFA and FC, of course, because a lot of the times this helped me make the game run again. Of course, the next step would be to go to manage and then click on repair, and the repairing of the game will start. It will calculate the time. Of course, it will take some time because it will re-download certain files, but after the repair, you should try again to launch the EA FC24 game. Next up, we're going to try to fix some anti-cheat issues that you can encounter with FC24. Go into local disk C, then program files, then EA games. If you have the default install location for FC24, go into the folder. You're going to have the installer folder here and then EA anti-cheat. Then you're going to have to double click on the EA anti-cheat installer. Then from here, select your game, for example, FC24 in this case. Click on repair. You're going to have to select the location where the game is installed. So just go into local disk C again, program files, EA games, and FC24. Select folder. It's going to repair the anti-cheat. And then you can also click on update so that you make sure everything is up to date. And after you try again to run the game, also you can try to uninstall the anti-cheat completely and then select FC24 from the drop down again and then click on install to have the anti-cheat installed, or it will be automatically installed when you try to run the game the next time. Inside the default install location of FC24, you can also right click on the FC24 application, basically the one you're using to launch the game. Right click on it and then click on properties. Here go to compatibility and you can select run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. This will basically run the game as an admin every time you open up the game, because if you have multiple users on your computer or there are multiple people using the computer, maybe you don't have the full administrative privileges, well, this will be pretty useful if that's the case. Next up, we're going to press Windows plus R on our keyboard and then type in here percentage program data percentage and then click on OK. And you can also go to EA desktop and delete all the files from here. Of course, a disclaimer, if you have certain career mode saves or certain saves in your game, those could be lost if you delete these files, but this could help. These are pretty much all the things that you can try to make the game run. And of course, if nothing worked for you, the last step would be to completely reinstall the game. That would be what you need to do. Let's hope that you don't need to reinstall your game and you're going to be able to successfully make the game run and don't have any issues. For at least for me right now, I've played the game for 2 weeks. I didn't have any issues like that, but I've gathered some solutions from previous years, because in previous years, FIFA 21, 22, 23, always at the start of the game, I had issues running the game. So these are some steps that helped me these years. So this was the video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.